Sometimes a reset doesn't look like a big grocery haul. Sometimes it's just cleaning what you already have. This fridge was almost empty, and for a second, that feeling hit me. You know, the I wish I could fill this thing up feeling. But I've learned something. Peace doesn't come from how full the fridge is. It comes from taking care of what's in front of you. So today we're wiping it down, throwing away what we don't need, making space even if it's just for a few simple things. Because in this house, we stretch meals. We make it work. We turn not much into enough. And this little grocery haul? It's not big. It's just what we can do right now. And that's okay. A clean fridge, a few fresh items, kids that are fed, that's a blessing every time. It may not look like abundance to everyone, but in this season, this is ours, and we're grateful. Okay, before anyone says anything, yes, I know. It was giving abandoned science project. Life has been busy, the kids eat like grown men, and apparently leftovers in this house just go into retire. So today we're doing a full fridge reset because my brain cannot function when my fridge looks chaotic. There's something so peaceful about taking everything out and pretending I'm that organized. Pinterest mom for at least 20 minutes. Have you seen grocery prices lately? Maybe my house isn't perfect, and maybe I still have laundry waiting on me. But honestly, a clean fridge just feels like a reset. Like, okay, but this is calm.